Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, first things first, I'm already putting on a new hairstyle. Like I said, I don't know, I'm just not rocking with my hair these days. I just feel like it's just not doing what it needs to do. So I gave it a break last week, but like I'm back to the next style because yeah, it's just I don't know. Weather changes, just my like and also I'm tired of doing the bun because I feel like the bun caused like there was a thinning in the back of my hair. So I'm just like, and I don't know what else to do with my hair, especially because I go to the gym now, and I can't personally. I don't want to do like what do you call these, like twist outs and stuff, because they're all gonna get sweated out. I could do a high puff, but again, that's attention hairstyle. So I have to opt for protective styles. That's the only way I have been going this year, and I feel like late last year. But anyway, so my mom is doing my hair, $3.99. Thanks for my mom who does hair. She's not a stylist before anybody asks, can I book your mom? She just does it for me because she's just talented in that way. But anyway, so the first thing we're doing, she's braiding my hair. Now she did use we are braiding hair pretty much to braid it first because my natural hair probably it would just get loose. So we just wanted to make sure that it stays put together. So she did braid my hair. As you guys can see, it was pretty much like a flat pattern going around until it went around into like a circular shape. I don't know, my camera has been doing this weird thing. But anyway, so she started with the closure first. I forgot to mention. So this comes with the closure. It comes with three bundles, which I showed earlier. So the 18, the 20, and 22. I'll leave the link for this. If anybody's interested. I know it comes in other colors, I believe, as well. But anyway, yeah. So she did the closure first, because sorry, as I am currently sick, and you guys will not continue into this vlog. But I'm gonna keep this in because we're being realistic, Abigail. Authenticity, but yeah, because she said she found that doing the closure first kind of just helped the process, especially if you want it to be a middle part. And I wanted the middle part and not a side part. Sometimes I'll do a side part, but I feel like if I go to the gym and stuff like that, I don't want to hit my face. I'd be good to go to the gym again. So that's why I did a side part. And as you see now, she's just putting in the what do you call this? The other bundles. And as you guys should know, you always put the shorter length on the bottom and you work your way up. So that was the 18 inch, and then we went with 20 inch and then 22 on the top. This kind of creates a layer pattern. Now I didn't film the whole thing because my battery kept on dying. And then I didn't really think about putting it upstairs and charging it upstairs. But at that point, I didn't want to keep on delaying the process. So some stuff I probably didn't show you the whole process of because it was like nighttime, and yeah, at that point it was a tiring day, so we wanted to just get it done at that point. All right, so this is halfway through. We're getting towards the top. Now, I didn't end up showing you guys the whole look because by that time, my camera again kept on dying. So I was just like, I'll show you guys what the final look looks like tomorrow. Now, the lighting's not the best in my kitchen, so the colors definitely looks darker here, but it's way brighter, and you guys will see that. All right, so now this is the next day. I needed to get some cleaning done. I had some laundry that I need to do, and I had a whole lot of laundry. So like I let my laundry like fill up, but also I had like workout clothes, so that's why it was like so much clothes. I also did other stuff on Sunday, but I didn't really show you guys everything because I personally am not taking my camera. I know people like to do that, but it's just really awkward, and I wanted to get in and out of BJ's. We did go grocery shopping after this, so I was just trying to like get everything done. I washed my laundry. I also clean my bathroom, which is normal. If you ever see my Sunday reset routine, I can link one up or put in the description box. But I do that often. That's generally my Sunday routine, to clean things and get things ready for the week. So this is what the hair looks like in light. As you guys can see, it is brighter. Now after BJ's, I bought this jumbo hair net, and I also bought a mini brush to take to work. This is the bigger brush that I already own, because like when I have wigs that are curly, you know, you gotta brush it out. And I had put my hair in like a little ponytail when I went to the grocery store because I didn't want all the hair in my face. Like, this is not a fashion show. I was going to the grocery store, so I just put my hair back in a little puff. But I got the net. The reason I got the net because it was just better, I feel like, to hold my hair so my hair's not all over my face. Because when I was using the bonnet and like a scarf, it wasn't working. But as you can see now, it holds it great. And then I was gonna go take a nap, but I couldn't. This is when I started getting sick. I noticed I was getting sick, and I always felt like it was COVID, but I wasn't sure. Anyway, so I wrote down my February goals. January, I reached close to my 300 followers on TikTok. I'm 10 from there. And as you guys can see, I'm trying to eat healthier. That's why I bought a lot of healthier stuff so I can eat at home. Go to the gym 3 times a week. That unfortunately won't have to happen this week because, as you guys will see in a few minutes, this is the next day, and I actually tested positive yesterday, which was the Sunday for COVID. Now this is Monday, which is the same day I'm actually recording, doing the voiceover for you guys. So yeah, so I took a last test, and it's funny because the last time I had COVID, this is the same thing that happened. This is my second time getting COVID, and I had to take 3 tests until it was positive. But I knew something was wrong. I was like, maybe it's the flu, maybe it's the, but something was telling me no, like it's probably COVID. And then lo and behold, like it was like 9 something in the night. I'm like, oh, yep, it's positive. So I have to. My job's requirement is you quarantine for 5 days. So I'm pretty much home the whole week. Anyway, so now I'm using the Bare Minerals, and this is like my go-to now. It's a little expensive, but it's probably my favorite moisturizer. I don't think I'm ever deviating from this moisturizer because it's good, especially if you have oily skin like myself. Then I'm just using my secret deodorant, and then I'm gonna go in with my coconut, what do you call this? My coconut oil moisturizer. Now, I didn't really tell you guys my symptoms, but pretty much it started with the headache. I noticed, especially last night, the headache was really bad. I don't personally does not like to take any like ibuprofen or anything, but I had to just go to sleep because it was that bad, or I would have probably never gone to sleep last night. And I also noticed the coughing, but the coughing had started since like Saturday. I just kept on coughing, and I'm still coughing, as you guys can see in this video. So it's a consistent symptom, the coughing and the headaches. My headache's mild now, but earlier it was hurting. And then also, I want to say about 2 hours ago, I started getting a stuffy nose, and then now it's becoming runny. So I'm just getting like symptoms left to right, and it's like changing. But I feel like last time when I had it, it's just like kind of feels like a cold, but it's not. So I'm actually grateful that it's not too bad. Now I will also say that that's why I put this diffuser on, but like I've towards half of me using the diffuser, I didn't smell anymore because my nose started becoming stuffy. I feel like this is the only time I pull out my diffuser anyway, but yeah, I was like, let me put some diffuser, maybe the oils will be good for my nose and just for overall for me to feel better. But is there anything else? I think that I covered mostly all the symptoms. And my memory card died, so I couldn't really talk to you guys, and this is why I'm doing voiceover. And lastly, my sister got me chocolate, and bye.